Well, I just picked up my new project. It's a m416 trailer. Actually, it's in pretty good shape. Someone torched out the back, but it's actually mostly surface rust. I got a guy over in Peoria. This guy bought it, and the guy he bought it off had been sitting in a wood line. He was going to restore it and backed out. He only had it for about a month or two, and I basically picked it up for what he paid for it. It's actually the trailer that goes with my mutt. But surprisingly, it's in really good shape. I mean, it's got some little few issues here and there, but the lights are in pretty good shape. The wiring kind of the parking brakes want to move. Stuff's froze. Like this jack stand's actually supposed to be full clear in here. It's stuck. But it's my next restoration project, and I think this one will be a pretty short one because it's actually in really, really good shape. Probably just going to be able to sandblast it and repaint it. And it looks like maybe a new brake cable and some wiring harness. And I may even be able to save the taillights on this one. And I'll have to build a new back panel, which I'll be able to skip a little bit because the front panel is the same as the back panel. So I do have a template. Or I'll just buy one. They do reproduce this panel. But there's my new project.